When the 20-year-old daughter will not get out of bed, we must rely on the Rottweiler alarm clock. Cyrus, come! Go get her! Come on! Come on, go get Amanda! Go get Amanda! Get her! Get her! Where is she? Where is she? Where? Get her!
Sebastian,
where is she?
Sebastian made it!
Ooh!
Sebastian!
It's a double wake-up call. Are you awake?
No. We'll be soon. Not awake.
He's gonna push you right out of the bed. Make sure you're awake.
Sebastian's trying. I know. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes. He made it! Yay! You're gonna have dog hair on all your clothes.
Whatever. I have it on him anyway.
Oh yeah.
Smile pretty.
No. Yes.
Wake her up. Get her out of bed. Wake her up. Say, I love you, Amanda.
Okay, I'm up. Settle. Okay. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, show everybody your pretty happy face.
That's a good hit.